Decoding 2025, the AI tool revolution. Alright, so what is up everyone? This is Ahmed and you're watching Future Ready AI. We talk a lot about AI on this channel, from the big picture concepts down to the nitty-gritty of specific models. But today, I want to zoom in on something I think is going to define the next year, the actual tools we'll be using. We're not just talking about incremental updates anymore. We're looking at significant leaps that are genuinely set to change how we work, create, and even think. 2025, in my opinion, is shaping up to be a golden year for AI tools, moving from niche applications to mainstream powerhouses. The pace of development in the AI space has been, frankly, insane. It feels like every week there's a new breakthrough, a new model, or a new capability that was science fiction just a short while ago. But what's really exciting for 2025 is how these advancements are coalescing into polished, user-friendly tools that are accessible to more people than ever. We're seeing a maturation of the technology, where the focus is shifting from raw power to practical application and seamless integration into our daily workflows. This isn't just about what AI can do, it's about what AI can do for you, easily and effectively. So, in this video, I've curated a list of 5 AI tools that I believe are poised to absolutely revolutionize your 2025. These aren't just random picks. These are tools that I've either been testing, tracking closely, or see as having game-changing potential based on their current trajectory and upcoming features. We'll dive into what makes each one special, how they're evolving, and why you should have them on your radar. From content creation to research to productivity, these tools are set to make a massive impact. Let's get into it. Alright, first up, and it's probably no surprise to many of you, we have to talk about the next iteration from OpenAI ChatGPT 4.5 and the expanding universe of custom GPTs. ChatGPT 4 has already been a game changer for so many, myself included. It's become this incredibly versatile assistant for everything from drafting emails to coding to brainstorming complex ideas. But what we're anticipating with 4.5 isn't just a minor bump in performance. It's a significant step towards even more nuanced understanding, faster responses, and crucially enhanced capabilities for personalization. The real kicker here is the continued development and proliferation of custom GPTs. Imagine an AI that can not only understand your text prompts with greater accuracy, but can also interpret images, audio, and perhaps even video inputs more effectively to provide truly comprehensive assistance. This moves it further away from just a text generator and closer to a genuine cognitive partner, capable of handling more sophisticated tasks with real-time automation. The potential for real-time automation of highly specific workflows becomes immense when you can deploy these tailored AIs directly where you need them. What I'm expecting to see in 2025 is a much more robust ecosystem around these custom GPTs, better tools for creating them, easier ways to share and discover them, perhaps even a more mature marketplace, and deeper integrations into other applications. This isn't just about having a smarter chatbot, it's about building an army of specialized AI agents that can augment your capabilities in very specific and powerful ways, making customized intelligence a practical reality for everyday users. The implications for businesses are huge. Customer service bots that are not just generic but deeply knowledgeable about a company's products and policies. Internal knowledge bases that employees can query in natural language to get instant, accurate answers. Marketing teams creating highly targeted content with AI assistants that understand their brand voice and audience personas intimately. The level of customized intelligence will be a differentiator. Keep a close eye on this space. It's going to evolve rapidly. Next up, let's talk about voice. For years, AI-generated voices have been, well, robotic. You could always tell. But that's changing, and changing fast, largely thanks to companies like 11 Labs. If you haven't heard of them, or more accurately heard them, you're missing out on some of the most realistic voices being generated by AI today. This isn't just about text-to-speech anymore, it's about creating genuinely human-sounding audio for a huge range of applications. What 11 Labs has managed to achieve is a level of naturalness, intonation, and emotional nuance in synthetic voices that was previously unheard of. They've clearly put a ton of work into their models, focusing not just on clarity, but on the subtle characteristics that make a voice engaging and believable. This is a massive leap for AI narration, podcasts, video voiceovers, and even accessibility tools. One of their standout features is the quality of their voice cloning. With a relatively small sample of someone's voice, their platform can create a synthetic version that is remarkably close to the original. This has obvious implications for content creators who want to narrate their own material in multiple languages or repurpose content without having to re-record everything. The potential for multilingual voiceover without hiring multiple voice actors is a huge cost and time saver. But it's not just about cloning existing voices. 11 Labs also offers a vast library of pre-made, high-quality synthetic voices that you can use for various projects. You can fine-tune the delivery, the pacing, and even the emotional tone to match your specific needs. This level of control, combined with the sheer realism of the output, is what sets them apart and makes their platform so compelling for AI narration. Think about indie game developers who need voice acting for their characters but have limited budgets, or educators creating e-learning modules who want engaging narration, or even businesses looking to create professional-sounding voiceovers for their marketing videos or internal training materials. 11 Labs provides a powerful solution that delivers realistic voices at scale. So, 11 Labs is definitely a tool to watch, and more importantly, to listen to. Alright, moving from audio to video, the next tool that's making serious waves is Runway ML. If you're involved in any kind of video creation, from professional filmmaking to social media content, you need to know about this platform. Runway ML is a suite of AI-powered tools designed to streamline and supercharge video editing. One standout feature is their text-to-video generation. Type a scene description, and Runway's AI generates a matching video clip. It's evolving rapidly and is great for quick B-roll or creative ideas. Other tools include object removal and advanced motion tracking. Runway ML makes sophisticated video editing accessible and intuitive. Let's shift gears to understanding information. Perplexity AI is a game changer. Unlike traditional search engines, it directly answers your questions with citations. It's like having a research assistant. The interface is clean and straightforward. It focuses on verified sources, crucial in an age of misinformation. For students, academics, and journalists, it's invaluable. It streamlines research with direct answers and citations. The Copilot feature makes research feel like a conversation. Give Perplexity AI a try for efficient, smart search. Finally, let's talk about something that many of us, at some point or another, have to deal with: presentations. For decades, creating presentations has often meant wrestling with templates, tweaking alignment, and spending more time on formatting than on the actual content. Well, Gamma.app is here to change that paradigm with AI, promising instant presentations with a focus on your message. The core idea behind Gamma.app is simple but powerful. You provide the raw content or an outline, and its AI helps you generate a beautifully designed and structured presentation, or Gamma as they call it. This isn't just about picking a theme. It's about the AI intelligently laying out your text, images, and other media in a visually appealing and coherent way. The promise? No templates needed, just your ideas. What I find really compelling is how it frees you from the tyranny of the slide-by-slide approach. You can start with a document, a set of notes, or even just a topic, and Gamma.app will help you structure it into an engaging presentation format. This allows for a more fluid and creative with AI process, where the tool adapts to your content, rather than forcing your content into rigid, predefined boxes. The platform offers a variety of cards. Think of them as flexible content blocks, for text, images, videos, embeds, and more. The AI assists in arranging these cards, suggesting layouts, and ensuring a consistent design. This means you can create polished, professional-looking instant presentations in a fraction of the time it would normally take. One of the biggest time sinks in traditional presentation software is fiddling with design elements. Gamma.app aims to automate much of that. While you still have control to customize and refine, the initial heavy lifting of design and layout is handled by the AI, allowing you to stay focused on the substance of your communication. This is a huge win for productivity when you need instant presentations. So, if you're tired of the old way of making presentations and want to experience a faster, more intuitive, and AI-driven approach, Gamma.app is definitely worth checking out. So, there you have it. 5 AI tools that I genuinely believe are set to revolutionize how we do things in 2025. From the personalized intelligence of ChatGPT 4.5 and custom GPTs, to the incredibly realistic voices from 11 Labs, the groundbreaking AI video editing capabilities of Runway ML, the smart search and AI-powered research of Perplexity AI, and the instant presentations you can create with Gamma.app. Each of these tools brings something unique and powerful to the table, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. The common thread here is that AI is becoming more accessible, more integrated, and more capable of handling complex, creative, and analytical tasks. It's less about futuristic concepts and more about practical applications that can save you time, enhance your creativity, and provide deeper insights. The key will be understanding how to leverage these tools effectively in your own workflows, whether you're a content creator, a student, a professional, or just someone curious about the future of technology. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts. Are there any other AI tools you're excited about for 2025? Which of these 5 are you most keen to try out, or perhaps you're already using some of them? Let me know down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. If you found this useful, a sub to Future Ready AI would be amazing. We drop new AI and tech content every week. Peace out.